Alright everyone, so it looks like the Samsung Galaxy A51, a 3-year-old phone, is actually getting a new security update. So as you guys see, we are visiting sammobile.com, and if you guys would like to read this article on your own time, I'll leave the link in the description as well as the top comment in the comment section down below. But it says Samsung's 3-year-old Galaxy A51 is getting a new security update. It's been a couple of months since the Galaxy A51 received a firmware update, and it's about time we had a change. Samsung has just started seeding a new update for the Galaxy A51 and is now rolling out a new security patch for the 2019 mid-range phone. Although Samsung has made the October 2022 security patch available to a handful of devices, the Galaxy A51 is not among them. Instead, the mid-range phone is now getting the September 2022 security patch, and as of this writing, availability is limited to the variant in Russia. So it looks like we're going to be getting the security patch update in Russia right now, but this is probably going to be going to everyone in the US as well as Europe and Asia. So let me know in the comment section down below. I don't know when you're watching this video, but let me know in the comment section down below when you have received the update. Tell me the exact date. Maybe you have received it today or next week if you're watching this video. Let me know and let everyone else in the comment section down below, and talk to people if you have this phone as well. It says the update carries firmware version A51, and as you might be able to tell by the firmware number structure, the update includes only the newer security patch and nothing else. There are no new features to look forward to, but improved security is nothing to sneeze at, especially for an aging 2019 mid-range phone. So this looks like we're just getting some sort of security updates. It's not going to be anything else, it looks like. It says the September update fixes over 24 vulnerabilities, including memory access faults and various functions, and a bug that could allow an attacker to remotely initiate emergency calls. Availability should expand to more countries and variants soon. Galaxy A51 users in eligible markets can download the firmware via the settings app on the phone once they access software update. So all you have to do is go into your settings and type in software update. That's pretty much the easiest way to do it. It also says Galaxy A51 users can also download the official firmware files from our website and install the update manually through Samsung's Odin tool for Windows PCs. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down below. It's nice to see that they have some sort of update going on with this device still. That's a beautiful thing, especially since we have these vulnerabilities like this, and just a month ago we had a leak of a bunch of different data from Samsung devices and stuff. So we definitely need these updates and security patches even for phones in 2019 and 2018. So definitely grateful that Samsung is still caring about the customers that have purchased these types of phones in past. Yeah guys, let me know when you receive the update. I appreciate you guys, love you guys, hope you have a great day. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.